So thanks for clicking. Today I am going to be unboxing Medusa'S makeup because magic is all around us. One thing I do want to mention, the price on these boxes went up. It used to be $15.95, it went up to $16.95, and it includes 4 full-sized items. You get a nice little card. It tells you, details all the items that come included in the box and the retail value. Right off the bat is a Glam Rock eyeshadow, and this is in the color Stardust, and this retails for $9. This is what it looks like inside. That's the color right there if you can see it. Whoa, this is gonna be intense. Wow. So I put it on my eyes and this is what it looks like. This did not go on as smoothly as it usually does. Like, I had to pack the color on to cover up the concealer that I used. I think I went a little crazy on this. I got a brush. Look at that. It's called a Medusa blush brush. Let's get rid of that. Layer our nails. It's pretty soft. Clean that. And this retails for $9. It's a pretty soft brush for my blush. This is a blush. It's called Exclusive Blush Amour, and this retails for $14. Seems a bit much. I don't know about $14. That's the back if you wanted to know what was on the back of it. I'll try it. Oh, okay. There's sparkles in it too. So there it is. It looks kind of pinkish, and you could see it. I'm just using a really little. Wow, that is like some kind of pink. Purple? I'm not even sure what color it is. That's all I'm using. Hold on, my apple. Oh yeah. Ah yeah. This is how I like to do it. I think I went a little overboard, as I usually do. But I gotta say, I look so adorable. Yeah? 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 No? Oh, wow. Wrong channel. Swipe. Swipe away. That's the blush. It definitely has a shimmer going on. So if you got the box, please be careful because it is sparkly and loose. Super loose. Medusa makeup lipstick in the color Red Square. Ooh, look at that. Red Square. And this retails for $12. I don't know if you can see it, but there it is. It's like a little boxy. Oh boy. Woohoo! This is red. This is very, very red. I'm like really nervous. Alright, let's watch it. Oh boy. Oh boy. I don't know if I'm ready for this kind of red. Oh, come hither red. It's like scarlet red. Oh boy. I don't know how I feel about this. It is definitely a statement maker. It's super smooth. It's super red. Holy moly. I mean, I love the lipstick. I like the eyeshadow. Together, I'm gonna say no. But the lipstick is adorable. It's just a little startling with these like white looking eyes. Wow. Thanks for watching another episode of me looking like a crazy person. I can't even get over this. This is like the strangest look I've had so far. That's February's unboxing of Medusa'S makeup beauty box. And I had a grand total worth of stuff of $44, and I spent $16.95. If you're interested in subscribing to them, I'll leave a link down below. And as you can see behind me, I have a lot more boxes and bags to open up. So if you like what you saw, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Cheers.